Hi, my name is Matt Ford. I'm the CEO of Prism, and I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how the system works. So this is our calendar, pretty standard calendar functionality. You have a venue stored on the left and stages associated with your venues on the right over here. And then the events are broken up by confirmed events and events that are on hold. All of the events are drag and drop, so if I want to move this hold to another day, I simply drag it over here. And if I click on the hold, it allows me to change the hold level, confirm the event, delete a hold, or add more holds to this event. Now that I've shown you around the calendar, let's take you from start to finish on one event. Click the date that you want to add the event, put in the title of the event, put in the contact information for the agent, choose the stage the show is happening on, and you can bring in a template, which I'll show you what that does in a minute here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Build the Show. This takes me to the show's dashboard where I can generate an offer for the artist. I can keep track of all my ticket sales. I can keep track of all my costs, contacts, and files associated with the event. When I click on the ticket page, as I'm updating these prices, you'll notice on the right there is a budget summary that will update automatically as I'm changing these prices. And the budget summary has everything from the top line revenue all the way down to what the artist is going to walk away with and what the promoter is going to walk away with, and an estimated promoter pay, which allows you to play with the numbers and see how things shake out. So go ahead and finish putting prices in here. And now that I've entered my costs, which I brought in automatically from the template, both fixed and variable costs, my ticket scaling, I can go ahead and create an offer. To start, let's click the Add Artist button over here. Enter in the artist name, connects with Spotify. Choose the deal type, so I'll do a plus deal with a $4,000 guarantee and a bonus of 85% of the net after costs with 15% promoter profit. So just like that, I'm able to generate an offer that I can send to the agent. So let's pretend that the offer is accepted. So the next phase is to confirm the event. So by doing this, it'll convert the hold to a confirmed event on your calendar. And in the confirm phase, I can update my run of show. I can keep track of the equipment that I'm renting. I can automatically generate an event. And I can track my live ticket sales. So let me show you how that works. I can either manually update my ticket sales, or I can pull in my ticket sales from my ticketing platform, and Prism will update your ticket sales automatically. So to do that, simply click Connect Eventbrite. This particular promoter uses Eventbrite. Select the event in Eventbrite. Match up the tickets in Eventbrite with the tickets that you built in Prism. And then click Save. When I go back over to the ticketing page, you'll see that Eventbrite is linked and the actuals are up to date with the fees, the discounts, the rebate, the gross, and the adjusted gross automatically calculated. And if new ticket sales happen in the time that we're talking, this will update automatically. The last thing I'll show you on this page is I can keep track of my costs and my actual spends as they're happening, whether it's marketing or production or general talent costs like hospitality. Now let's jump into settlement. To start settlement, simply click the Settle button. From this view, I can see an external settlement with the artist. So let's click that here. This generates a settlement report, which calculates the bonus amount, subtracts the deposit, and allows you to arrive at a total remaining payout. And then it gives you a place to print this out, sign it, and to date it. And then lastly, we also generate an internal settlement, which allows you to see how you end up internally. The net profit number here, a revenue breakdown, and a cost breakdown. If the settlement is completed, I have this Confirm Settlement button, and that locks in all the final numbers. The last thing that I'll show you is the event list, which I can access by clicking over here. So a cool feature about this is what we call show health bars. So you see this yellow bar and this red bar and this green bar. The colors are a reflection of how close you are to break even. So you can see the break even is here, and this is where ticket sales are at, ticket sale revenue. So this event is red because it's very far from the break even. And this event is green because it is well past the break even of 333 tickets. This event list is totally sortable. I can type in an artist name or an agent name and display all the events I've ever done with them. I can look at all my outside promoter events, all my in-house events, and I can also sort by past events as well. That's it for now. We're really excited about all the features that we have coming out. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot.